My son, welcome to Ogugu Shrine. Wetin carry you come here this afternoon? Baba, I need 100,000 naira. I wan pay gbese wey I dey owe Pampi. My son, Ogugu go run am for you. But you rent a shop, paint it, buy dozens of Brazilian hairs, buy attachment from Expression, buy clippers. Then the 100,000 naira you are looking for will be yours. That is what the gods want from you.
Baba, wetin concern the gods and renting a shop?
Do you want your problem to be solved? Then give the gods what they want. Rent a shop, fix it, arrange it, and give the gods. Then you get 100,000.
Oh, now I see. Na my head the gods wan open saloon abi? Na my head why I find solution come your side. I need 100,000 naira to pay Pampi. You tell me I go open shop, ma put Brazilian hair. Baba,
My son,
you fail this time. Òṣìṣẹ́, you no dey work. You no work.
my son, okay, don't rent the shop and paint it. The gods will buy Brazilian hair and put it in the shop. My son, the gods will make 100,000, in fact, double it for you. Rent shop.
God have mercy upon us.